The purpose of this video is to answer any questions people might have with where to find the homework assignment for this week. I've gotten a few emails, so I thought I would just address it with a quick video here. So what I did here was I just logged on to the home page for BUA 601 on the main course. If you don't see this when you log on, then you want to click on this course content, and that should take you to this. So it should be right here at the top. Then scroll down, and you want to go to week 2. When you click on week 2, it should tell you in writing, usually is how I do it, on that first page, kind of the overview of the homework for the week. So you see here, this week's lesson opens when, blah, 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 all that stuff. But then it says learning, reading, and watching. So reading, you need to read chapter 1 and the article on the theory of measurement, and you can click on that if you want. And then the videos, which it looks like most of you got to. Then the second thing, doing, you need to practice. So homework problems, please complete and bring to class these following problems. These are just text problems, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. And these are problems located right in the text, which I'm going to get to in a second and show you where you can find that online too. And number 17, I guess. Then this perfecting, this is getting into the project here, so it's going to be the first thing you need to do for the project. I just want you to think about a topic that interests you. Then try to find 3 articles that are related to this in the popular press. So these could be newspaper articles. They need to come from a reputable source, so it needs to be like the New York Times or the Washington Post or the San Francisco Herald or the Dallas Morning News, the Chicago Tribune, reputable news organizations. Please don't bring in, real-time politics or something like that. It's just too difficult to discern if they've been studied at all. So 3 of those on a topic that you're interested in, and then what I want you to do is write a quick summary of each article, and each summary should be about 3 sentences long, and that is all, 3 sentences long, and that is it. So in each little summary, what's the topic? Why are you interested in this? Why it matters to you? Each summary should not exceed 1/3 of a page. So that means that the 3 summaries should fit on 1 page, and they should be properly cited using APA citations right here, APA citations for the article. If you're not sure what APA citations are, let me know. I can provide you with some examples. Bring this work to class with you on Wednesday evening, and we're going to discuss it in great detail. The next week, you're going to need to get these scholarly articles, which is going to be a little bit different. You also need to think about the type of data that you would need to collect if you used that topic that you're talking about. Now, once you've done all of this, you're going to bring these homework problems right here to class with you, and then after class is over, or after you get off online, then you're going to go online and you're going to do a quick quiz over these problems. You can use your completed homework problems on the quiz. As well, you can ask questions in class about these problems. Okay, so I hope this clarifies any questions that you might have about the homework assignments, but I want to show you also where you can find a couple of other things. So the other thing I've had some questions on is chapter 1, because not everybody has their textbook yet. So if you go right over here, you should be able to see, there's chapter 1. So we can go to that by going back, I guess. And here we have all the different things. So let's scroll down here. Chapter 1 textbook. Oops. Oh, I don't want to watch that video. Let's see here. So what you're going to want to do is, I keep trying to click up here, but you don't want to do that. You want to go right on that, and you get the little thing, and it should say Stat Chapter 1 PDF. When you click on that, it'll download the whole chapter for you. And the problems are kind of in the middle of the text. So here we've got some exercises 1.2. Here's some of the problems. And then we go on down. Here's a few more. Oh, no, not that one. I'm sorry, my bad. Right here, exercises 1.3. Here's a few more. And I think this one here is number 17. That's the last one that I asked you to do. And for this one, I think I had to provide some data, so you're going to find that back over here on Blackboard. So you go over here to the side panel, make sure you can see it, yep, and you find data from textbooks, so you click on that, and I have it in there by chapter. So when you click on this, this is going to give you all of the chapter 1 data that you need to have. You double click on that and it should open up without any problem. Okay, hope this is helpful. Have a good night. See you Wednesday.